Just open I go buy something to eat small for you. You dey quiet, they talk another thing. So as you big reach, so you don't have a lace you. See some holes empty.
Not be me.
Now who lace am for you?
No, it was not like that.
My friend, keep quiet.
This thing was not like
this.
this.
Wait till God remove her now.
So you never lace shoes before making
I want to remove.
Simon, you're giving me headache.
You will be saying that you the manufacture headache. I ain't the time to say how they give
Onojo, www.onojo.com.
That's the thing. This exactly the way it be for you, that be for you. You say the thing come out.
If I tell you something, believe me, I'm not your age man.
Wait first. Did you just hit me on the head?
No. See as they do left hand.
I see.
Because men in the house, is this how they not shoot? See what he's doing.
Show me men in the house. You sabi not.
See what thing they do. Wait, make I zoom and make una see.
I will come over here. No feel lace yourself now. Come not shoot. Then you won't come talk. Okay.
See him face.
You
go pay another bribe price. You will pay another bribe price. Hello my wonderful people, you're welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is Tina. It's real. Hey, for my OGs is Tina, and for new ones, this is Tina Isoa. I'm a YouTuber currently based in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider clicking on that red subscribe button and join this family. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified, and smash the like button for me. Guys, I can't just feel enough of myself today. We're heading out on a boat cruise. It's a ladies hangout. Let me carry you guys along. And other things that will happen. We're going for a dinner. As in today is Paint the City Red. Yes! So let the man of the house be in the house with his children while I hang out. See, it's a white and blue affair. Wear whatever you want, but it's not compulsory. Blue jean on white top. Let's go. Babe, I thought you want to snap me a picture. Come and snap now. Which kind of shakara?
You say you're supposed to come here how many minutes ago?
Oh yeah. Guys, we're late. I'm tired. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's almost here.
How do I hit that? All right. Thank you. Oh my god.
You would have missed it, though, right?
Oh.
One more, yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Fine. Hang on, wait, one more. One more.
Are we good to go?
32 so
Can
far.
I go? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who sent me? Who sent me? Who sent? I need some water. Hello. I made it to the finish line. Yay! Busy in the building.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Depart.
Hello guys.
The Prairie Lily is a
Yeah.
Transport Canada regulated and inspected passenger.
Two life rafts located on either side of the ship in these white bins. They hold 75 passengers each, which is far more capacity than our ship. And that's everything, so enjoy your sightseeing cruise.
Thank you. Let's go have some fun. Let's go have some cruise.
And here comes that very loud horn. If you happen to be forward the wheelhouse, please cover your ears. One long blast to indicate our departure from the dock.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
You are? He's showing you. He's showing you. He's definitely showing you. See. So we are going down now. Hey, this is beautiful. Oh my god. So guys, we are going down now. That's how they do it. Those down will come up now, and those down will go up. So it's our turn to go down while they come. Yes, I am. And M and C, M and C. M and C special. Can we have one on this table? Yes, so these are the ladies of Saskatoon. Enjoying ourselves. Yes. Yes. I have everybody say Saskatoon ladies. Saskatoon ladies. Saskatoon ladies. Saskatoon ladies. Ready? Set. How come you are cutting the boat? You are the boat. You are not letting the boat. No, this is not stick out. We are getting the boat. Let us hang out. Yay! Jesus! See, I did here. Wow. I put enough to go That place is dark. So you now want to remove it.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
I knew I'd find you here. You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away.
You are the one that corrupted me. You corrupted. So guys, we are going back home now. Okay. No one should bring me here again. No one corrupt me. Just want to corrupt me. See, she's the person that corrupted me today. Now she corrupts me. Oh my God. Okay. I don't want to come here again. No way. You want to get me corrupt, right?
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Tina, you have to be the best buffet partner.
No, don't ever bring me
You
here
eat like
again.
an arm jobber.
Don't ever bring me here again. So guys, joke apart. We ate like moo. I don't know whether you know what
You have to be the best buffet partner.
is there. Like, don't bring me here again. don't bring me here. Okay, bye-bye there. NK, you have finished me today. So guys, we are heading back home. Do you know what is gluten? Chid Afori. Chidinma Afori. If your name is Chidinma Chidebere, no verse. I feel like log of wood now. Oh my God. So the thing is that the restaurant you saw me showing after the boat cruise, we went to a buffet restaurant. It's an Asian whatever. You saw the name. Oh my God.
Best Asian restaurant.
Well, honestly, to be very honest, maybe I may be tempted tomorrow to do this, but as at this moment, I don't want to come here again. You'll be tempted to eat like fool. I don't like it. It's a sin. I feel like I have committed sin. God, please forgive me. I ate. How many rounds did we do? Was it 2 or 3?
As many as you.
Oh my God. And this one is not buffet garina. This one is, I love broccoli, shrimps, and meat and chicken, and oh my God. But I had fun. I enjoyed every bit of it. So if you're in Saskatoon, you want to, any day you don't want to cook, but you want to eat like mumu, come here. And it's not far. I think it's opposite Value Village. Yeah, opposite Value Village. Just search for it. Best Asian buffet restaurant. and come here and enjoy yourself, okay? So we're heading back home, and I'm with this my sister. You have seen her face on this channel before. She's driving. So we're heading back home. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider clicking on the red subscribe button and join this family. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified, and smash the like button for me. I don't know where we went. Was it this place? I think it was this river, right? Yeah. So kind of a fulfilled Sunday. I feel so Saskatchewan. Okay, that's the Saskatchewan River. Yeah. Oh. I feel so fulfilled. I feel so happy. I feel so. And my makeup is still glammed. Still. Don't worry. I'm going to start the business again. I'm going to start doing makeup in Canada. Like if I do 4 people makeup in Canada, I don't make money for, you know. We will do it.
That was why they wanted